Hello, how you doing? Let's get started. So if you face this problem, I'm Hamish. Let's get started. So now we have a question here. Let's say use the rules of a logarithm to solve the equation. So let me show you something first, because otherwise I can just do this in a second and tell you the answers. You want me to tell you, but then you don't want to know how this is done. So let me show you first the rules quick. I can use 3 minutes, 2 minutes to show you quick with just 1 minute. We have a lot of rules. If somebody gives log A plus log B, in logarithm, what you do, you could have say, you see, log A plus log B. If there's a plus in between, you can put them together. Say log, take this A, and then multiply this B together. But this law only applicable if they have the same base. For example, like here, you see there's no base. So if there's no base, you assume is under base 10. So even here is under base 10. So if somebody give me, for example, log x plus log 2 x, I can put them together. Let's say this is 3 and this 3. Can I put together? Oh yes. Why? Because first there's a plus and another thing, the base are the same. So I can just simply bind them together. This can be log under base 3, and then I say 3x times 2x, which is going to be 2x squared. So this is very acceptable. You see? So that's a rule number 1. Rule number 2, when it's minus, what happened there? If it's minus now you do not multiply. You don't multiply, you divide. For example, here there's a minus. So if there's a minus, you say log the same, and then you take the first one, you divide by the second log. And you can put single bracket. See? So if there's a minus, that's how you do. Now, for example, how if somebody give me another thing quick, and then I'll show you. This is very crucial. If somebody give me log, let's say 4, you can simplify the same. Say log 4 is 2 squared, and then I can take this 2 to the back. If I want, I can take 2 to the back. Is acceptable. Take 2 here. It's going to become 2. You can say back or front, whatever you think is going to be convenient for you. I mean, this power here comes to the front, so it's going to be 2 log 2. Okay, but also you can take this to the front. It's very acceptable. According to, okay, if somebody give me, let's say 3 log, okay, let's say this is 9. Let's say, and then here they give me 1 over 2. Simplify. There's a lot of ways I can do. Either I can take this back, is acceptable, you can take it back, you can say this is a log, this is 9, if I take this, it's going to be a half here, okay? But what is a half? A half means a square root, means I can just remove this, a half I can put out square, and square root of 9, so let me say log 3. See what I'm saying? It's very acceptable. Okay, another rule, if somebody give you log x and under base x, this same equal to 1, means if the log and the base are the same equal to 1. It's like if somebody give log 4 under base 4, this equal to 1. So, well done. For example, let me give you an example. If somebody give me, let's see here, 27 log, and they give me here 3, and here 1 over 3. So there's a lot of ways I can solve this question. The first way, guys, I'm coming there, right? I want to show you so you can understand the proof. First way, I can take this back, or I can simplify this, bring something back. Either way, okay. Let me just have, let's say I'm taking back. So this 1 over 3 is going to come here. So 1 over 3 comes here, and there's a log by 3, 27, but this is going to be 1 over 3. But anything comes 1 over 3, for example, if somebody give me x, 1 over 3, this let me say cube root of x. You write your x, and then here you write your 3. As a root. 1 over 3 means root of 3. So this let me say, I have my log base 3, and then I'm going to write cube root of 27. See? But what is cube root of 27? Equal to 3. So this let me say log base 3, and then all this stuff is going to give me 3. But what is the log and the base when they're the same? When they're the same, equal to 1. That's how I say it. If you have log t under base t equal to 1. So this equal to 1. But if I really want to go with this rod, I could have done like this. And say, look. And I could have said 27 means 3 cubed. So this, let me see, this 27, I can remove 27, I can see, we still have 1 over 3 at the back, and I can say log 27 is 3 cube, and we still have here cube. But this, it can go to the back. So this 3 is going to go to the back, and then I can write here 3. But 3 over 3 equal to 1. And this log of 3 over 3 equal to 1 times this equal to 1 also. 1. So 1 and 1 equal to 1. You understand? So this is just a few of the logarithm rule. Let me show you one exponential rule, and then we go back to the question and solve this question. Before exponential rule, let me show you this rule. If somebody give a log, let's say x equal to log 2. Which base is this? Base are the same, right? So if this base are the same, means it's base 10, base 10. Even though they did not write the base, if there's no base, just assume it's base 10. So if these bases are the same, then this must be equal to this. So x equal to only if you have a log both sides. So for that case now, let me show you one more rule, and then we go back to the question. If somebody give you, this is called exponential rule. It's very important rule. See, make sure you know this rule. Never forget this. If somebody give, for example, let's say here x log y a, any letter, okay? So exponential rule say, see, you only apply exponential rule when your log is on one side. See, if you have only one group and it has a log, just like this format, and here you have a number or anything, then you can apply exponential rule. How? So what you're going to do, see this a, you push it here. So if you push it there, it's going to become a, and this is going to become a power. And then here you be left only with y, and log disappear. And you see it became exponential. That's why we call it exponential rule. For example, if somebody give me, let's say 0 equal to log, let's say 2x, and then no base. So which base is that if there's no base? If there's no base, you assume it's under base 10. So I'm going to say this, since there's no base, I'll say here 10. Oh, so I can apply exponential rule here. Why? Because there's a log on one side and there's an equal here, just a number. So what I'm going to do here, I'll push this base here, which is going to come here, it's going to become 10, and this is going to become power equal. So I'll be left with only 2x. Log is going to go away. Any number power 0 equal to 1. So 10 power 0 equal to 1. Any number power 0 equal to 1 equal to 2x. How am I going to get x? Divide by 2, divide by 2. This and this cancels. So x equal to half. Now let's go to our question now. There's a lot of rules, but this is some. So if you go to the question, very simple question. You just 1 second to get fixed this. Okay. See here, bases are the same, and then we have a minus. So if you have a minus, we say we divide because the bases are the same. So I'm gonna put them together. Say this, let me say log. I'll take the first one, which is 3x minus 2. I'm gonna divide. Why do I divide? Because there's a minus here. Divide by 2, and then equal to log x plus 4. And then what I'm gonna do, see here, bases are the same. So if these bases are the same, so I can just simply take this, and then I don't need this anymore because they have the same base. So for that case, I'll be left with 3x minus 2 over 2 equal to x plus 4. So I can say over 1, and then I can cross multiplication. So 3x minus 2 times 1 is 3x minus 2, or you can say times 1. Okay, let's call it that. 2 multiplied by this x plus 4. So expand it, 3x minus 2 equal to, expand this to x, and that one is going to be times 8. So these 2x go to the x, they're like terms. So 3x, 2x come back, it's going to become 2x equal to, here we have positive 8, negative 2, it's going to become positive 2. This is going to be 10 equal x equal to 10, which is this. But how did you do this? It's just because now you know the rules of logarithm. Otherwise, then you might just get an answer, but you don't know the rules, because the thing is, not all the time they're going to give you the same question. Every time they change. So it's very, very important for you to learn the rules, okay? Rules and principle of the logarithm. So if you face that, I hope you learn. Just one thing, don't forget to click the like button, share this video to a lot of people. So If you click the like button, share, subscribe. If you FaceTime, make sure subscribe. But if you have already subscribed, then you're fine. If you have not yet, come right here. See here? There's a red button. Just click subscribe. Share this to the other people. Thanks a lot for your time. I'll be seeing you very soon, okay? Very, very soon. Peace and love.